This video will show you how to turn any regular video into a green screen using just your phone. A green screen lets you remove the background and replace it with anything. Cool effects, custom images, or other videos. We'll use a free app called CapCut, available on both iPhone and Android. Open your browser and go to google.com. Search for green screen and download a plain green image from the Images tab. Open CapCut and import the green screen image. Then tap Overlay greater than Add Overlay and add the video you want to convert. Adjust its size and trim if needed. Now to remove the background, scroll through the bottom menu and tap Remove BG. If you have CapCut Pro, use the Auto tool for instant results. If you're using the free version, select Custom Removal and manually outline your subject. Once done, your video becomes a green screen clip, ready for any background. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.